Cramoni's primary school acknowledges the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people on which we stand today, and recognize their continuing connection to land, water, and culture.
We pay our respects to their elders, past, present, and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every state of birds Australia fair. In joyful strains, and let us sing of birds Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our very last Cranbourne East Primary School weekly online assembly for the year. My first message is to share with you about an invitation I received from the Year 4 students, where I got to visit their learning space and have a look at their games arcade. This is part of their design and technology unit. Absolutely wonderful to see the creativity, the thought that went into the games the students made. Now, I had many invitations, and thank you, children, to play the actual games, which I really enjoyed. And I won some fantastic prizes. And it was great to see so many parents there taking part in the games that the children had constructed. So well done, Year 4. Excellent effort. During the week, we had a visit from our prep students. Now, that's our prep students who will be commencing at the school next year. Just wonderful to move into the learning spaces and see so much excitement and enthusiasm as our new preps were looking around, meeting their friends, meeting their new teacher. So we certainly look forward to welcoming our 2024 preps into the school on day one next year. Premier's Reading Challenge. Now, you may be one of the many children across the school that completed reading books as part of the Premier's Reading Challenge. And I have the number of children that participated, and overall we had 909 students complete the Premier's Reading Challenge. That is absolutely amazing. So congratulations, everybody. And as I do say, it is just so important that you read every single day, even in the evenings, even on weekends. And for those children that completed the Premier's Reading Challenge, you'll be receiving a very special certificate to mark your achievement. My next message is from Mrs. Curran in the library, and just to remind students to return any outstanding overdue library books. So have a look in your bags, your locker tubs, even look at home. And if you have library books to be returned, please bring those back to the school ASAP. My next message is to read a book, part of a book. And this is a story that one of our students in 4Z, that's Anmol, wrote, and he came in to show me the book. And, well, it's just a wonderful read. And the book is about Golden State Warriors. And the book starts off with some information about Stephen Curry. Now, Stephen Curry is an all-time NBA, that is National Basketball Association champion. He is a 2 times MVP, and that stands for Most Valuable Player. And I'm sure we've got many students in the school who are MVPs. On top of that, Stephen Curry also has the most 3-pointers made in the history of the NBA. The number of three-pointers he has made in his basketball career is 3,390. The next page I'll read is some interesting facts about Stephen Curry. Well, we know he's famous for his incredible talent at basketball. He is very known for his shooting, agility and quick moves on the court. Stephen Curry is super energetic and has a lot of stamina. Stephen Curry is a point guard. A point guard is a player who is one of the two guards on a team and is the one most responsible for leading the team when the player has the ball and trying to score. So I want to say congratulations. Thank you, Anil, for sharing your book that you have put together. And it was just wonderful to be able to share that with the entire school and school community. Keep up the good work. Next week, well, certainly looking forward to a whole school Christmas concert that'll be occurring right through the course of the day. I know we've got many excited parents that are looking forward to coming along during your session. And on the last day of school in the morning, we'll be having a whole school assembly. That's where we'll all come together in a gym and we'll be sharing some exciting news about student achievements and some information about some of our teachers. So I'm really looking forward to that. And I'm looking forward to the many parents who will be joining us at the assembly. Now, this evening, I am probably the most excited person in the school at the moment, even though I know there are many excited Year 6 students. But this evening, we will be all attending the Year 6 graduation. I know it's going to be a wonderful ceremony, some great news to share, some exciting announcements about achievements, and I'm really looking forward to seeing our teachers and especially our parents to come along to enjoy that graduation ceremony. All right, that's all from me this week, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
Ho ho, hi everyone, it's Mrs. Wrigley here with our very last joke for our 2023 school year, and it's a Christmas themed one this week. Are you ready? What do you call Santa when he stops moving? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. All right, your time is up. What do you call Santa when he stops moving? Santa Paws. I hope you liked that one, and I hope you all have a very merry and safe Christmas and enjoy your summer break. And I look forward to seeing you all back next year for a great year together. Bye now.
My name is Millie and I'm in grade 3. I'm going to show you some gymnastics.
That is awesome. Well done, Millie.
Thanks.
Stop. Hey everyone! Just a quick message from your captains. Thank you for a wonderful year.
We love being your leaders. We hope you all enjoyed us as your captains.
We hope you have an amazing holiday and a happy new year.
Thank you.
Bye.